Hi, I'm Richard, Customer Relationship Manager from DMARC, and this video is to show you how simple, quick, secure and trustworthy Oscar is when processing financial data from bank statements. We start here from the login screen and we enter our email and password, which then takes us through to a multi-factor authentication page. And all we need to then do is use whatever authentication app we have to enter the code. We can then enter securely into the home screen of Oscar. Once we land on the home page, we can see here we're able to set up an individual project, and we do that by clicking the plus sign at the bottom, clicking the next icon up, and then we can call this project whatever we like, and this enables us to segment our cases. So I'm just going to call this project 1 for now and confirm, and we can see we have our project page set up here, and we can have as many projects ongoing as we want. To now upload documents to our project, we click the top icon on the bottom right hand side, we choose which project that we want to upload the documents to, the statements to, and then we drag and drop our files here. So I'm going to select all of these bank statements, and we can put as many through Oscar as we like in one go, and then we confirm. What's now taking place is the optical character recognition, or OCR, part of the process. Oscar then undergoes a number of quality checks so that you can be assured of the quality of the data, and you can see that they now start to show that they've been processed by the visual of the document and then the green tick in the bottom left hand corner underneath the document. Once we've got all of our green ticks, we know that Oscar's processed the documents, we know that the data quality checks have run, and we can be assured that the quality of the data is high. So from here we can now view what Oscar has provided us, which is the digital results. So it's turned the image, the PDF, into digital data. So we can see here, this will always be in the same format, the same standardized format. And what we can do with this, and what we envisage most people will use this for, is then to process the information and export it into an Excel file. And the way we do that, we can do it in a number of different ways. In actual fact, we can select individual documents to do that with. We can select multiple documents to do it with, or we can do it on a project basis. So if you wanted to export all of these documents into an Excel file, we're able to do that too. For this example, I'll just show these 3 being processed. We click the top icon here, download bank statements, and you can see then that there's a zip file opens up, and we have our 3 Excel files ready to go. We can briefly open that and just see what that looks like. It's the same standardized format from within the tool, so we know that we're always working with the same parameters of the data. And there we have it. That's a typical use for Oscar. There are obviously other features that we're able to demonstrate through a more detailed demo, but that there is how most people typically use Oscar, to bring in data from a PDF, to ensure the quality, and then to export straight into an Excel spreadsheet for downstream analysis. If you are interested in a more detailed demo, then please do get in touch, and if you have any questions similarly, please drop me a line.